Ready for Orlando. Butt plugs?
Butt plugs?
Where are my butt plugs?
Yes, see.
New freaking graphics for the weekend. Let's go. Thank you, Jet Life. Look at these things. You're gonna spot me from the freaking moon. We made it to the Airbnb. We low-key had to break into the Airbnb through the window. It was not fun. Check out the freaking new graphics. Only pause. MTV Cribs, welcome. Gonna go fill up. Wee! Oh no, I'm locked out. Thank you, Jamal.
You're welcome.
We're filling it up. Oh, fill her up. Filling straight from the pump because we don't use race fuel out here. We don't need the race fuel.
Suckers holding on for dear life.
93.
Gotta be.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my show. My chili show. Homegirl Yet Girl just texted me. Shout out to Yet Girl. So, like I said, race prep, race weekend, we eat chilies. It's a thing. I always have to have chilies or, mozzarella sticks before the race weekend. It's Friday. We got to the races pretty late today. I was the last one to check in and the last one to tech. Shout out to the tech people and shout out to Sean, new race director, for having them wait for me. You're the best. Let me show you guys my super healthy food. Got mozzarella sticks, sliders, boneless wings. Can't forget the salsa and chips. If you go to Chili's and you don't eat the salsa and chips, don't talk to me. I'm kind of feeling a little bit under the weather. Just my luck before racing, but tomorrow I think we have 2 motos. Very excited. I was not going to come to this race. Most people know why. But I wanted to have some seat time before World Finals. And my parents aren't here. This is the first time that I race a P1 race without my parents. It's not fun. I need my parents out here. I can be 40 years old and I'm still going to need my parents out here. But my brother's out here. Jamal is out here. Mariana's out here. Mary Jo. It's going to be fun. I got the new graphic kits on. Shout out to Onlyfans, my new sponsor. Subscribe to my Onlyfans. There's good stuff there. But I post a lot of stuff that I don't post on Instagram and a lot of top secret stuff. So if you want to follow me on Onlyfans at Valentina Lescano. Valentina Lescano. Let me bite this mozzarella stick because it's just looking at me. Now, let's go! Tomorrow's gonna be good. I did not race the port, so I have no points. I'm honestly out here just to race, get seat time. So tomorrow's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna try to go live while racing on my GoPro. I don't know how to do it. I've been kind of watching YouTube videos on it. Yeah, it's gonna be exciting stuff. Hopefully no freaking drama. I just want to race. Just want to do good. Protest me. It's okay. It is what it is. That's what happens when you're fast. But let's go. I'm excited. I just ate a mozzarella stick and me and my mozzarella sticks, they give me an extra mile per hour. You don't need a tune. You need mozzarella sticks.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You were mad that I didn't.
He was what?
You were mad that I didn't introduce you.
Oh yeah, that's normal. I'm always mad at you.
But I don't think he's going to get there first. That's Todd Sarsinski with the hole shot, the Jet X. Around the outside. So Sarsinski with a nice hole shot there. 529 is Marcio Vendetti. Third. 529, Marcio Vendetti in the fourth spot. Valentina Scali in sixth. Dr. Ryan, little construction. You can see them with the left and right. And we got Eric Diaz on motor 917 Galley. Rounding out your top four here on our second lap. Let's go 30 minutes plus one.
What happened, Vale?
That's not our friend. It's not a phase, it's a lifestyle. Supercharger blue. Maybe. Going in and out. We're gonna change it. One more race tomorrow.
Who's gonna change it?
My brother. Full shot tomorrow.
Dirty tan.
You know you want to ride it.
Update. We broke Moto 1 and 2. We're out here. Very sad. This is my manager. Everybody. This is my other manager. Tomorrow will be on. Is my eye black?
You just look like a zombie for no reason.
Tomorrow will be another day. Tomorrow we whole shot.
Remember we did last night.
Ooh, Mary's just getting it. Like the pump out here?
Nah.
Run for your life! The man is backing Chelsea, sponsoring I win racing with
one of the skips that is moved up into that third place. I'm still looking for Smith. Diaz, who started out very well, but now come all the way back to about that 7th to 8th place position as he works his way around the monster buoy over here, bottom middle section of the track.
Knowing what the boat will and won't.
Honestly, these are a look.